Hello guys, today in this video I am going to show you new LED white parking bulbs that I have purchased for my Apache 180 RTR. So have a look. So these are my new LED bulbs which I fitted in Apache 180 RTR. Sorry I cannot show you by getting them out. I have already replaced the old ones with this new one. I will just zoom it. Yeah, you can see that there are two LED bulbs in front, and it is covered with all LED bulbs in two pairs. So they emit too much of light. It is not like they look very dull. They look very good and very fascinating in night. I will just show you. So they are not too much dull or too much bright. You will feel good, right? And that headlamp is still yellow. It is halogen, the original one. So the combination of yellow and white, it looks very good. 1 second, I will on my headlamp and show you. See, you feel like it is blinking, but it is vibrating with the vibration. These were the old bulbs that I have replaced with the new ones. Okay, as you can see. So I have purchased these new bulbs, LED bulbs from the Amazon. So I will mention the link in description so that you can purchase from there. So thanks for watching guys. Have a good day.